So, hi.
Hi.
Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Emily. I'm the CEO of Zerozero Robotics, and we're here with the HoverAir X1 today.
So, this is a drone that just, how does it work?
It folds up, super tiny, it's 125 grams, and it opens up, and it flies out of the palm of your hand. So I'll show you here. Press the big button. There's only 2 buttons on it, and it turns on. And then there's the camera here, and there are 5 different flight modes, 6 actually, plus many flight modes that are on the drone itself. So you don't need to use a controller or anything for it. You just press this button here, and you can select the flight modes that you want to fly. So there's orbit, there's bird's eye, there's following from the front and back, there's hover, there's zoom out. And I'll do a quick demo. We have lots of people here, so I'll just do a quick hover demo. So I press the big button. It sees my face.
So, it's a selfie drone.
Yeah, or for you with family, for travel, and then it just tracks me.
Nice. And you can do gestures to it?
Yep, you can do gestures. They're really fun. It's in beta mode right now. I actually have it on this device. I'm not going to demo it here because there's a ton of people, but yeah, you can do follow mode, and then it will launch different modes with gestures.
What's the price?
We're $349 for the device only, and $399 for a combo, which includes an additional battery and a charging hub.
And how long is battery?
Battery is 11 minutes, which plays out to be about 20 flights, depending on the flight that you're doing, because most of them are pretty short. They're about 30 seconds. Yeah, there and back or up and down.
And I see your demo videos. People are not afraid to use them in the real world. Like, you wouldn't want to use them in a big storm, right? But if there's a little bit of snow, it's fine?
Yeah, I mean, it's surprisingly robust. I mean, obviously from the product side, we always tell people to be really careful, and there's some very clear no-goes, like flying over water. But one of the best things about it is you can really take it with you wherever you want to go. And like, I literally just put it in my bag. It's so tiny, and when you have an opportunity, you take it out and grab a shot. And gives you some really like versatile, diverse shots.
So 10 years ago, I saw Sergey Brin walking around the CES, and I was doing video, and I was dreaming all the time that I could have some drones just jump out of my backpack and have like different angles for my live stream.
Yeah.
Is there any chance this could be used in live stream, multi-camera?
So we don't support live stream at the moment, but it's actually really great for vlogging. One of the really great features we have is that we record audio out of your phone, actually. So it syncs the audio with the video, and what's really great is it cuts out all of the propeller noise, and honestly a lot of the background noise as well. So that's really fun. We also shoot in vertical, so for people who are interested in content creation, that's also a really nice feature that we have.
Is there any chance that you could provide a warranty? No matter what happens, you make sure that it doesn't crash, it doesn't break. You know what I mean?
No product will never crash or never break, but we do offer a 1-year warranty for manufacturer's defects. Yeah.
Because I'm thinking like, it has a camera, it should have AI, it should know never to crash, never to break. You know what I mean?
So we only have 1 camera on it, so we don't have active obstacle avoidance, but it has really robust follow, so you'll see some really great demos of people like winding through a forest and things like that. Of course, we want people to always be mindful of the environment around you. Yeah.